Good morning, my dear children. My name is Jigna Damani and welcome to the EVS class today. Today is 21st of August 2020 and today is the last day of our week. Today is Friday and let's start with the EVS class. But first, revision. Let's do the revision first. Yes, last class we studied about the things which plants need to grow. And teacher told you plants, they grow like us from small seed. They become a big tree, a big plant. So what does the plant need to grow? There are these 5 things. See, soil, water, air, seeds and sunlight. If the plant does not get any one thing from this, the plant will not survive. Each and everything is very, very important for the plant to grow. And how does the plant grow? See, these are the growth stages of the plant. First, in the soil, we bury a seed. Bury a seed मतलब हम लोग soil में एक seed डालते हैं. फिर डेली उसका ध्यान रखते हैं. We put water, the seed gets sunlight, seed gets air from the surrounding, and slowly the plant grows. The seed grows. The roots come out of the seed. Then slowly the plant grows and the stem comes above the ground. Stem ज़मीन के ऊपर आता है. And then slowly on the stem the branches grow. The leaves come on the branches. Then there are flowering plants. So the bud comes first. Then the flower grows. Slowly the plant becomes bigger and bigger. So this is called the germination process of the plant. From a small seed to a big plant. Then we studied about parts of the plant. So last class we studied about the parts of the plant. We saw the pictures that time and we learned some things about the plant. Today we are going to revise the same thing, but we are going to learn the spellings of each and every part. See, this is a plant. Like we have different parts of our body. Same way, the plant also has different parts. So this is the root of the plant. Roots are under the ground. Then above the ground we have the stem, the branches, leaves, fruits, flowers. If it is a fruit plant, we get a fruit on that plant. अगर वो plant flower वाला plant है, तो उसमें flowers उगेंगे. So if it is a vegetable plant, उसमें vegetable आएगा. So these are the different parts of the plant. Now let's have a look one by one on each part. So this is the first part, that is the roots. And what is the spelling of the roots? R-O-O-T-S. Roots. R-O-O-T-S. Roots. Roots are under the ground. Roots grow under the ground. Then the second part of the plant is stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Stem is connected with the root, but roots are under the ground and stem is above the ground. And the stem is very, very strong. It can stand erect on the ground. S-T-E-M. Stem. The third one is the branches. Now branches are a little bit weaker than the stem, but leaves come on these branches only. Branches are like the hands of the plant. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. Because there are many branches, we write E-S. Otherwise, it is branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. but there are many over here. So it is branches. The next part of the plant is leaves. If it is one, we call it leaf, but there are many, so we call it leaves. And the spelling of leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Then we have the bud or the buds, B-U-D-S, buds. And from the buds, the flower grows nicely. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Buds and flowers. Bud is small. When it grows, it becomes into a big flower. The bud blooms into a flower. Then we have fruits and vegetables. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. And V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. So let's have a quick recap again. These are the roots. This is the stem. These are the branches. On the branches we have different leaves. Then we have the flowers and the fruits. Yes, now your home assignment. So this is your home assignment. Now just imagine this is your EVS book. One side there are ruled lines and one side is the plain side. So both the pages you are going to write the date and the day, because that is very important. You are going to write 21st of August 2020 and the day you are going to write Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. And on both the pages you are writing the heading parts of the plant. And on the ruled side you are going to write all these spellings: roots, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and last is fruits and vegetables. And on the plain side you are going to draw all these parts. Okay, your mummy and daddy are not going to draw in your book. You are going to draw. जैसा भी आता है चलेगा, but you will draw. Your mommy and daddy are not going to help you for this. See, even teacher has done this. Teacher will send you a photograph of this page along with the video. Okay, you are going to write it nicely with your pencil and eraser. Okay, write it with your pencil. Teacher has written with pen, but you are going to use your pencil. Write it nicely. Draw the pictures. If you want to color them, you can color them. It is okay. Do the assignment nicely and send me the photographs on Monday. Okay, send me the photographs on Monday. Do it nicely. Till that time, thank you my dear children. You're going to stay home and stay safe. Teacher misses you a lot. Bye-bye.